In this quick guide, you'll learn how to sign in to your AWS account. Whether you're just getting started with AWS or need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful login process. To begin, navigate to the AWS Management Console on your preferred web browser. This is where you'll access all your AWS services and manage your cloud resources. Once you're there, you'll see two options for signing in: the root user and the IAM user options. Since we're focusing on the root user sign-in today, make sure to select the root user radio button. This is crucial because it indicates to AWS that you are signing in with the primary account credentials rather than a specific IAM user account. Next, you'll need to enter the primary email address associated with your AWS account. This is the same email you used when you first created your AWS account, so make sure you have access to it. After entering your email address, click the Next button to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your account password. This password is the key to accessing your account, so make sure it's secure and that you remember it. If you ever find yourself having trouble remembering your password, AWS offers a password recovery option that you can use to reset it. For now, go ahead and type in your password and then click Sign In to continue. Depending on your account settings, you might be asked to enter a verification code. This is part of AWS's multi-factor authentication process, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. If prompted, check your email or authentication app for the verification code and type it into the provided field. This step ensures that even if someone else knows your password, they won't be able to access your account without this code. Once you've entered the verification code, you're all set. You should now be signed in to your AWS account and ready to start managing your services. If you encounter any issues during this process, double-check that you're using the correct email and password and ensure that your internet connection is stable. To wrap it up, signing into your AWS account is a straightforward process that involves selecting the root user option, entering your email and password, and possibly providing a verification code. By following these steps, you can securely access your account and all the powerful tools AWS has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more AWS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing.